somebody was talking about The Simpsons and saying our creativity in general sometimes and the way we access information as remote viewing, they may not be intentionally going out
Yeah.
to find the future. That just might be the creative process, right? And they're tapping into things. They're so locked into society and what's going
Yeah.
on and all that
There,
data that they're just filtering it and predicting it with
it's so
accuracy.
funny that you're saying that because I actually have a video in my course where I talk about the Simpsons phenomenon, and that's
Oh,
exactly
wow.
what I say too.
Yeah.
Every good song I've ever written has been a channeling process. I feel it now, I understand it now.
Yeah.
That the way that songs flow into me is the same way that remote viewing data flows. It's 100% the same thing. So
Yep.
when you've got somebody who's in a creative state, you know, your brain is going down into alpha and theta.
Yes.
You're getting that flow state, you're getting that signal enhancement, I guess,
Yeah.
that comes with being in those states, especially with like a writing team, like where you've got a
Yeah.
team of creative people. You're all going to be grabbing stuff, and guaranteed, you know, that like that is their whole point is of as a show is to make fun of reality. So they're going to obviously pull from source material that resonates with their audience, right? So real
Hmm.
stuff. So it makes total sense to me that that's what it is.